Welcome to week 5. We're more than halfway in. I'm going to look at our modules section. In week 5, we're going to be working with Word so that you can start creating some awesome documents. We have a discussion. We have 2 assignments that have to do with SAM. Now, we've worked with SAM a little bit before, but we've not done any SAM projects, so this will be a new thing. And it'll require a little bit of patience on your part. We have our proctored quiz. I'll come back to that and talk a little bit more about that later. Now, as we begin our work with Word, some people probably are very familiar with Word and may be able to do these projects without any additional training. And that's why our course is set up so that our training is optional. Some people, however, really need a little bit of tutoring in using Word. That's great. Now, if you're in that situation and would like some Word tutoring, scroll down in our modules and find the SAM training modules. And we have 4 training modules available for Word using SAM. I'll click on the first one. And when you click on these, it'll take you into the SAM system, and you'll see many, many different tasks that training is available for. You'll probably want to just launch all so that you can just step through all of these different things. Now, just like the other items that you may have done training on in SAM, some of this will be videos, some of it will show you how to do things, some will be different questions. So use the Word training to get yourself comfortable with using Word so you feel like an experienced Word user. Now that again is under our training modules down at the bottom of the module section of our Canvas course. Now I'm going to scroll back up to our week 5 information for Word and show you a little bit about how these projects work. After you've done the training, you want to come back and try the first project. I'm going to click on it. When I launch this project directly from Canvas, it'll show me the instruction file, the starting document for this project, and hopefully it won't show you the solution, but I get to see that. Now I'm going to download the instructions so that you can see them. My computer is a bit slow, but we'll take a look at our instructions. Oh, it wasn't too bad that time. Now, when you download and start on a project for SAM, you're going to have the download file is called the starting document. So in all of these instructions, they say open this file. That will be referring to that one. Save the file, and they want you to change its name just with a number. Then with the file open under the new name, you're going to make sure that your name is displayed in the footer so that everything is good to go. Be sure to follow all these instructions carefully. Now, once you've got your document all set up, you're going to follow all of the steps in the project. It might be better for you to print this out so that you could mark off these steps, or somehow update this Word document so that you know you've completed a step, because it is quite involved. Now, each of these steps will align very closely to one of the tasks in the Word training. So if you find yourself confused and you're unsure how to do something, you can always refer back to the SAM training and look at that specific task to get a reminder of how to complete that. Okay, so I'm going to close out of that Word document, and I'm going to close SAM and be back to Canvas. So for our assignments this week, after you've updated that document, you'll follow the instructions from SAM to upload that document back to SAM, and then SAM will report your grade back to Canvas. You'll have 3 attempts to do each of these projects, so give yourself time. It can be pretty involved. Now, if you're unhappy with the score that you receive, you can run a report in SAM and see what the problem was. To do that, we want to go back up to our setup module and find our SAM main course link. I'm going to go into our SAM course. I'm going to go ahead and enter student view and make sure I'm just looking at our course. Now, this is what SAM should look like to you if you use that main course link. And you have some always available assignments here. And in those always available assignments, besides your textbook, you have the training. So here is another way to access all of these Word training modules. But we're looking for reports to find out how we did on our project. So we can click on the reports link, and I'm just going to choose to view all reports, and then I'm going to see my results. Now you're going to have some different options here because I'm just a test student. I don't have the same exact options as you will. Remember, in our course setup information in Canvas, we have many different videos about using SAM. So if you're having trouble finding the report, please let me know, or see if you can find some helpful information in one of the videos. Okay, so you can do all of that stuff in SAM. Keep track of what you're doing, and that should give you plenty of opportunities to get all your points on those SAM projects. Again, let me know if anything is acting strange. Sometimes when we have all this technology working together, it can have a few glitches. We try to keep that to a minimum. Now, also this week, your proctored quiz is becoming available. You have until July 18th. If you notice, this is the actual link to the proctored quiz that you'll use in the testing center or your proctored location. I see some people already getting that information set up. Good job. Make sure you get this taken care of. Remember, OTC's policies require that you get this proctored test taken to prove your identity. And your proctored test will be some information multiple choice questions about Word. Refer to this quiz information link to tell you a little bit more about that. As always, please email me if you have any questions or problems. You're doing a great job. We're more than halfway through. We have a week on Word, a week on PowerPoint, a week on Excel, and then our final week. So the end is definitely within sight. Keep up your good work, and please email me if you have anything that we need to address. Thanks.